Hi. Okay. Let's make sure the sound works. Testing. Testing. It works. Cool. All right. So I'm going to be practicing x86 assembly programming language, and you're welcome to join me. Let me change this real quick. I'm just getting everything set up here. How are you? I hope you're well and had a wonderful holiday. Now we're moving into Thanksgiving. Let's see, computer science. I'm gonna put x86. So like I'm new to the x86 language, so I am learning it, and you get to join me if you would like to. I'm going to have my earbuds in because I am going to be listening to instructions, but I have my chat right here, so if you'd like to chat, just start typing, and then I will see it eventually. Hi. Hi, Vitaplex. I am practicing coding and I'm just trying to find the exact video that I want to do here. How are you? How are you? How are you doing this evening? Didn't I talk to you on Halloween night? Oh, by the way, I got everything all set up or whatever on my Discord server, so I've got my channel for coding opened up right now so that I can carry on conversation there. Okay, I think this is the one. Hello, yes, I'm good. You? I'm pretty good. I got my tea here. It's cinnamon and with honey in it, extra honey, and yeah, I'm like okay. So check this out. Like I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, and I still feel like I just don't know enough. And I'm still in school, and I'm working on my next degree for cybersecurity, but I feel like I'm climbing this giant mountain of like information, and I feel like such a noob. Like even with my gaming, I'm like a noob, you know, like in Super Buddies, and Steven always calls me out for it, but like yeah, that's how I feel right now, and so I'm like, all right, fine. Then I'm going to work on x86 assembly language and getting better at it, and I'm gonna make it fun. So I'm gonna do it here with my homies. Okay. You'll always be learning, right? I do stuff for cybersecurity. You do. That's so rad. Haha. Yeah, I feel like no matter how much information you know, you still can know more. And I'm talking about like technology, like and like computer science stuff. Like learning is never done. If you want to grade cybersecurity, look up the CISSP exam. Okay, hold on one second. Okay. So like, okay, so after I'm done with this degree, which is going to take me like a little over a year, then I'm already set up to do my cybersecurity certifications, and I will spend like 18 months doing that. So then I will be taking exams to know all of the different software programs for assembly, or I'm sorry, not assembly, for cybersecurity. I'm hoping to get a new job soon, cybersecurity risk management analyst. Yeah, that's what I mean, that's what cybersecurity really is like risk management, but I just interviewed for it. That's so rad, like, congratulations. I hope that you get it. That sounds fun. Yeah, I want to know the material. I do. So I'm gonna be watching you and like responding to you, but I'm also going to be like listening and like doing. Check out Splunk. Okay. What are those exactly? Nice. Nice. That's rad. Auditing for the risk management. Yes. They help when building system security plans. That's rad. Thank you for the information. Nice. I'm gonna have to like take notes after. It's like this is its own class. Dude, please do. Been into the cyber field for about 4 years almost. That's amazing. If you've had a clearance, this should be easy to jump into. Yeah, I've had a secret security clearance already because I did transportation logistics or transportation management, which is like, you know, you got to know like routes and stuff like that, and like it's just a lot of sensitive data, as well as, you know, personnel and stuff like that. But yeah, I've already been cleared for that before. Whoa, I need to try that one out. Okay. Theoretically. Yeah, and I've also been cleared for a top, or I've also been cleared for someone else's top secret clearance. So that was double whammy. But obviously they only last for so many years, and then you have to like re-up. It's been like quite a while since then, so I'd have to definitely go through the whole process again. 10 years? Nah, mine was only like 5. Mine was only 5 years for secret security. Yeah. Wait, go back. I've been told 10, so I don't know. Yeah, I remember we had to re-up after 5. Okay. I want to just start the whole thing over. Yeah, why not? Okay. Eight months? Oh, I went through, like, I don't think it was 8 months for me to get a clearance. It was, oh, is that like a civilian one? Like a civilian clearance? I was sponsored by the company. Oh, okay. They must last longer. Okay. It's like so tiny. I understand that that's the signature. Yes. Oh, okay. Well, like, government issued ones are obviously a lot shorter. So I'm working with Visual Studio Code and Bochs right now. The Bochs Emulator. Okay. That's pretty neat. What kind of program are you writing? Well, I'm right now I'm just writing like simple bootloader programs with x86. But I'm practicing so that I am familiar with it. And I am doing it live so that excuse me. So that I can get familiar with it and not like stress out about it, because I don't want this to be stressful for me. I want this to be fun for me. So I'm writing just simple x86 language codes and just doing them. I've done it before, but now I'm doing it like from another point of view so that I can get it in my mind in another way. Wait, save that. Okay. Remember doing this. Sorry. I'm just like going back. I'm just chilling. Don't feel bad. Nice. I'm such a noob. But I won't be a noob forever. But it's cool because then I can like look back on this and be like, oh my god, I'm such a noob. Like show this to my kids and be like, look mommy was, look how, look. Let's all point and laugh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I love how I'm laughing at myself. That's great. Wait. Go back to... Inside of our source directory, which I have that there, right? And I have that here. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I do. I want to delete that. Delete. And this is running on sorry, I'm like there's a few things that I'm doing here. Running this on the system. Oh, that's the same thing. Okay. Redefine, press any key to continue. Okay, so that does run just fine. Okay. Oh, I remember this. Ah, I remember this. I'm just folding laundry. Nice! I probably should do that soon in my life. Okay, so I'm doing a disk and boot. Nope. Oh, I remember that. Hey, Bochs. Bochs just like runs away. He's like, oh, I'm not doing that. Okay, disk and boot. There we go. Which one is it? That's right. Floppy. Okay, let's keep moving forward here. I'm doing the floppy disk. Bootloader floppy. Where is it? Go to all files. I don't. Okay. This is that step that I got all mixed up on last time. I remember when I finally figured it out, I was like, yes! But now I'm like redoing it and it's been a few months, so I'm like, oh, God, I can't remember how I did that. Do you know Linux? I feel like that's a loaded question. Me and Linux, we don't get along. I I don't like raspberries anyway. And the only pie that I ever make is like, I make it with my hands in my kitchen. But penguins, they are cute. And the other day my son called me Collie Mommy, and I'm like, nah, please don't. Okay, I gotta go back to this. They waddle. They do. I watched this whole entire like documentary thing on them with my son. Like, he watched it like 16 times. I put it in the source directory. Okay, that's where I'm like lost. How did I do this last time? How did I do this last time? And this is the part about computer science, is where you troubleshoot your own issues, which is so fun. How did I do that last time? No, that's not how I did that. I did this last time. Just trying to remember how. I can't go back in time. Things break randomly. Like, you know what breaks randomly? Or what won't work, or it'll just like shut down, or it'll just, it's super touchy. x86 assembly language. So that's it. The whole thing is just like, yeah, I need to learn this only because it's extremely frustrating and I'd rather just learn it. I feel like I ran this through something first. Calm. Did I create? Or did I do this and run it? that's how I did that last time. Because then it's different and it's one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think that's what I did last time. I don't know for sure, so I'm gonna see if that works. Open up Bochs. Oh, what am I doing? Anyway, so the temperatures here were like dropping kind of, and the trees were changing and so beautiful, so many colors. And then I woke up this morning after putting on this, like, you know, very, for this time of year, okay, this is like burnt orange, okay. And I put this on and I was like feeling very, you know, Thanksgiving. I'm just like honing in on that. And I open up my curtains and it's just like 2 inches of snow. And I'm like, ah! It's already feeling like Christmas. So that was really weird. I don't know how it is everywhere else, but definitely have a lot of snow here. Okay. Theoretically, go back just a couple seconds here. I don't have snow yet. I like it at arm's length. Yeah, it's kind of supposed to be. Oh well. I just like live in the mountains, so it's just how it is. I know I keep like putting my face like really close and like getting really far. It is what it is. This is the best setup I got right now. Here's the thing, what I'm looking at, like the writing is like really tiny. So like goals is that I could learn this so well that I could teach it also to people. You know? Wouldn't that be so cool? I think it'd be cool. No bootable device. I've successfully done this one time. That's what gives me hope. I'm like, I know I can because I've done it before. You like snow at arm's length? Well, do you like any snow sports like snowboarding? Snowboarding's fun. Go fast. And then you fall down. And then you laugh, and then you get up, and then you go do it again. Go fast. Super fast. Oh. LOL, I've never gone snowboarding. It's fun. It's so fun. It really is. Okay, so like I learned skiing first and I didn't like it. And you know where I learned skiing? You want to know where? In the Swiss Alps. It's a little intimidating. I didn't like it. And then I learned snowboarding. It was kind of weird because I was like in Santa Monica, and so I was like at the beach in California, and it was like nice. And then like I packed up like snow gear and then like drove a little distance and then went snowboarding in the mountains. That's where I learned to snowboard, and then came back down and went back to the beach. So that was cool. But yeah, that actually happened. It's like, let's go snowboarding and surfing in the same day. Why not? I'm terrible at this. This is like the most simple program ever, and I can't even. I'm not terrible. I'm just a noob. I just need to like remember what I did for this. So, I think that's all I'm gonna do. It's about an hour and a half of racking my brain, and I have this little if you're in my server, I have this little thing, and that's what I'm gonna put in this right now, actually, in the channel. This little animated guy thing, and it's how I feel, and that's why I created it. I'm chill on the outside. On the inside, where is it? First I gotta find it. Here we go. It's like 1.5 or just 1 hour. 1 hour of not doing great. Let's see. My bootloader did not successfully run through the Bochs emulator. I have done this before. But I have to remember how. I know it's a tiny error, but finding it is its own challenge. I've done sandboarding. You've been sandboarding? Dude, that's so cool. Like, the only thing I've done on sand, well, I've done a lot on sand, actually. I went to the Middle East. Okay, so, like, dunes, sand dunes. ATVs on sand dunes. That was at Pismo Beach. That was fun times. I almost went off of there. Like, there was like a 50-foot drop. I barely missed it. Oh, that was rad. So tell me about sandboarding. What is this sandboarding that you speak of? It sounds fun. Oh, so much fun. Yeah, dude. Tell me. I've never even, in fact, I think I'm gonna Google sandboarding. I gotta see this. This looks rad in my mind. So it's just only my imagination at this point, so let me go see. Oh my lord, that's amazing. Dude, if you you know, if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. If you can sandboard, you can snowboard. Except for, I think that it would be more fun falling in snow than it would be falling in sand. Because I have done a lot of things in sand. And falling down is not the best thing to do in sand. But in snow, it's all powdery and soft and fluffy. And so if you fall down, it's not a big deal. It's just cold. But if you have the right gear, it's still not a big deal. Oh, that looks so freaking fun. Dude, that looks super rad. Like, yeah. I could get down with that. Sweet. That's cool. I don't know. Now I have to focus, right? Like, now that the snow is here, it's like snow, melt, snow again, melt again, snow again, melt again, until the temperatures like consistently stay cold, like super cold. And then it's time for sledding. Because the littles, to them, that is like thrilling. Like, I'm past this. I have moved on to snowboarding. No. I want to teach them snowboarding at a young age, at least for them to be familiarized with it so that it doesn't scare them. And I think that they would like it. I think my son would like it like a lot. I think he'd like it a lot because it goes fast and he loves to go fast. Snow does seem more fun. Yeah, man. Like, except for I just did not take to skiing very well. I don't know. I like that on a snowboard my feet are both on the same board, and I don't know. To me it just, I don't know. Skiing, I know a lot of people that ski and it's just like they're just so graceful with it and just like that's awesome. I can't do it. I'll do snowboard though. If you like it, then your son would love it. I hope so. I mean, he is pretty competitive and he wants to do anything that I can do. That's true. Yeah, I think I'm done with the x86 right now because I'm trying to remember, like, how did I get that to run last time? What is my little tiny little minor mistake? And I'll probably run this through my head for a while until I figure it out, which is not very entertaining because it would just be me just sitting here going I don't know. I don't know. I saw a video that was so bad. This dude was skiing and he hit the side rail and killed. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! That was on. Somebody recorded that? Like, but. Yeah. That would do it. Oh, that's terrible. Whew. Hit the side rail. Oh, man. It was some Olympic competition. Oh my gosh, like the Winter Olympics or something? Oh, Lord, have mercy. That's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. Ah! Oh, that's terrible. Oh. Man. Yep. Oh. So then they definitely would have recorded that. Oh, man. That reminds me of Dale Earnhardt, actually. I remember that. I watched that. My cousin hit a tree once. Ow! A tree or a rock or just like solid ice, you know? Hurts pretty bad. Then again, he's a dull one. I'm just saying, if you can sandboard, you can snowboard. I think maybe the fear then is like, yeah, trees and rocks and stuff like that. Yeah, subscribers have access to my server, and I do a lot on my server. I'm on my server every day and all the time, and I just go in there and talk. And because I got a lot of projects and stuff going on, and so I'm like always in there like updating information. But yeah, if I had no trees to hug, I'd be good. So that's why you prefer sandboarding? That's rad. Hey man, to each their own. Thank you for hanging out with me again, Vitablex. Tomorrow is Super Buddies, so that's gonna be cool. And I can't remember if we're gonna do PvP. I don't know if we were gonna go something with the supervillains. I don't know. I had a dream that I made a supervillain account, and then I'm like, I can't do this. Like, I made it, and then I couldn't use it. I was like, I can't do this. I can't even, like, I can't even do this in a fictitious universe. I can't do it. Very cool. Always a good time. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, Vitablex. You're rad. And, yeah, have a good night. May peace be with you. Bye. Oh wait, hold on. I wanna use my little this. Yeah. Thank you. And you sweet dreams as well. Peace and love.